Hey everyone, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose, and today we've got part 3 of our customization and repaint of Siege Megatron. We've got a lot to do today, so let's get started. Welcome back to the channel everyone, it's great to have you here. What we're going to do today is finish off the last bit of spray painting that we had left on Megatron. And I did go ahead and partially assemble his legs. Now these two pieces I'm going to end up painting red, but this one in particular has a section that becomes the back of the leg, so this is going to get masked off. And I'll go ahead and paint this with a semi-gloss black by hand. Same thing with this bottom piece, this section is going to go red, but the inside part here I'm probably going to paint a silver or a gunmetal. And then for the arms, I'm going to paint these bottom sections red, so I'll go ahead and mask off the rest. And lastly, on his torso, he does have red on the sides. So this might be a little bit tricky to mask off because of these angles and corners, but we're going to do our best to paint this part. So with that said, let's get started. Now I'm actually going to leave these pinholes free to actually try and get a little bit of paint in there. This joint was particularly loose on the figure, so that should help to tighten it up a bit. Alright, so at this point I have completed just about all the painting that needs to get done onto Megatron, and that means that next week we just need to panel line and dry brush. So that's right, it's going to be another finale again. This is probably the fastest custom that I've done yet, and I think the reason for that is because of the lack of color that Megatron has. Not a lot of variation to work with. But with that said, he should still hopefully turn out great. Hope you can all join me for that. It should be a good one. And if you like what you saw, you know what to do. Thank you all so much for joining me, everyone. I'll see you again next week. Take care.